it's just a little weather broadcast for streaming on YouTube. Um, I'm right now just going to attempt to get everything set up. Welcome to Tommy's Weather Broadcast. We have two radar apps open, Radar Omega and Weatherize. I just found out Weatherize exists, so that is good, I would say. And yeah. Alright. Hopefully this stays up this time. I have some analytics for this stream. Yes. Let's get to it. We have a couple tornado warnings in effect for parts let's start off with the most recent one. For Lee Batonz, but I do not know how to pronounce some things, guys, so please do not bully me. Patontonk, Miss and Union, Itawamba, Prentice, Tippah, Elkhorn, and Tishomingo counties in Mississippi. Let's go to it. It is right here. So we will play it through, see what this tornado is going through. So it just so earlier, unfortunately I wasn't live because I was doing other stuff, but we had a PDS tornado warning for parts of Mississippi. So let me see where we are right now. Storm Chaser is right over here. Yeah, so we got as I was saying, 3 tornado warnings. For Mississippi, there's 2 for Mississippi and then 1 for Tennessee. We'll go over there, which is right by the border. And it is coming up right now. Yeah. So parts of Collinwood is getting hit right now. And if I could extend it, I would go like this way. Maybe I'm wrong. Not no one is accurate for the weather, guys. So like so here, West Point, Liam, with Lawrenceburg, Etheridge, Summertown Farm, Holland Ward, Mount Pleasant, possibly Linden and Clifton as well. And then you two, please get to shelter in Collinwood and Winsboro. It's only me, so hopefully this actually does go well. Alright. We will change radar, see what is happening here. You can see it's kind of a little bit, and then over here. So it looks like that tornado warning has just expired. So right now, guys, it is around 10 o'clock Eastern. Or like whenever, where like 9 o'clock Central. Like if your area is on the dot right now. But yeah, so yeah, a couple tornadoes, and then we have and then let's see what this is. We are now officially having a new tornado warning for Rapides Parish in central Louisiana. Take shelter. And if you are in that parish in Louisiana, Because honestly, that looks pretty good to spawn a tornado. Yeah, the main threat right now is kind of flooding, so that's going to be an issue. Yes, like parts of that area. Then we got inch, but there is a part of there's a small thing, but there is a moderate risk of severe weather around Corinth, Mississippi. All right, so we have flash flood warnings. Check that out. We have a lot of flash flood warnings. There's going to be a lot of danger and parts of Baltimore, but the Baltimore area has a severe thunderstorm warning, tornado possible. And oh, okay. Wow. I we got an upgraded tornado warning. It is extended for Mississippi. Check the velocity right here. Right there. That little green right there. That looks like that could be a tornado warning possibly. We got meanwhile down here we have multiple storm chasers on this. And no one's down here, but this looks like that could be a tornado. Okay. We go back up here by the Tupelo area. Let's just go to our warnings. Yeah, I mean that looks like tornado worthy, I would say. So if you're wondering what my stuff is right now, we have 2 radars on Radar Omega. We have velocity and reflectivity. We have weatherize up where I can change the radar. I have OBS up to look at my stream, and then I have YouTube Studio up and to be able to like prepare and look at my stuff and my analytics. Yes. I will be right back, you guys. I'm going to play both radars so you guys can understand what's happening. I will be right back. returned. See if anything new has popped up. A flash flood warning did expire, which is pretty nice, but this is what I'm concerned about. That is what I'm concerned about right there. The like almost 300 almost 300 flood warnings is very concerning. See how New Albany is going. People need to know New Albany. Let's go over that way. That looked like that could be a good shape for a tornado. Kind of see it. And meanwhile, in Louisiana. And then yeah, Westport. But then it's these two towns. These two towns right here. So we have and even updates to actual warnings. So let's go over here. Um yeah, let's look at the outlooks. This is the severe weather outlook. This is the moderate risk of severe weather. Yeah, that's a little bit of an issue. The whole place where tornadoes can happen. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty big as well. And then the wind is a lot. So yeah, when two parts of tornadoes, flying debris, just be careful, be weather aware. Just please be ready. Because you have no idea what the outlook is going to be like. Check back on velocity because I saw this was a pretty in shape, and it looks like it still is. Right there. Then we go to our tornado warning near Toledo, which is actually under the warning. Yeah, it is actually under the warning. It's a little concerning. Yep. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's continue. Looks like they updated that tornado warning. Yep. Tornado warning is now updated. And we have a new tornado warning in effect over here. This one is radar indicated, but there is some rotation. So yeah, it looks like it could move in like this way. I'm not good at mouse, but that way as well. Yes, let's head over here where there's another warning. where the hook actually has gotten better. Very surprising. Well, yes, the hook, you can kind of see it. Okay. Yes, wow. Been live for about 15 minutes now. I could stay up until like, I could like stay on the stream until like 10:30. See if anyone can, this is just a small little broadcast about the weather in some certain situations. Here, near Baltimore, is an issue. So that's a little concerning. And meanwhile, yeah. Here's where all the hot mess is. It looks like Merida is about to take a big hit from this can become a big storm. Is right there. Right there. And then this tornado warning should be expiring any minute here. This one. Then we got the new tornado warning for Tennessee. And then parts of Mississippi and then Louisiana. I mean, they could update this to a confirmed tornado warning, and if that happens, will stay on possibly a little longer. But it's just a quick weather update. Yep, that other one is about to expire. So there's a couple more. Just looking through all the warnings. Yeah, they'll be expiring any second. Certain amount of warnings. This one expires at 10:45 Eastern. Right here is this here is in Central Daylight Time. Yep. Check velocity, see if that has anything. Over here, starting to cook something up. It looks like, which is of course not great at all. Yeah, so some warnings just expired. But right here, I might be concerned about this a little bit, but it looks like, yeah, it still is pretty strong, let's say. And it's going towards McNary and Glenmora. The storm, right here, should go this way into those towns. Okay, take cover, please. Tornado warnings are not something to joke around about. They're pretty dangerous. Tornadoes are really dangerous. Okay, then we got these tornadoes. Still warning. And that, honestly, still isn't the best thing. So we got radar indicated. So it's moving northeast, which means it should be moving towards Peyton and Tishomingo. That area. Take shelter. And Marietta is about to take a direct hit. Storm Chaser says I don't think we can show it. I don't think I can show it at all, but yeah. So wow. All right. And over here, by West Point and Fairview, you guys are under a tornado warning. Let's see what this warning, what the radar tells us. All right. Still best, yeah. This one might be moving up towards the same area. Just remember New Albany. You just recently got hit by a tornado. Now, Merida is taking our direct hit. If this tornado looks like it is dangerous. And it looks like it actually is dangerous. Better take shelter. Yeah, got some hail as well. And this is why Base Springs Lake. Yeah, I just want to do like a quick stream. So, so like they just kind of upgraded it a little bit. Yeah, look, this one just upgraded. So looks like it's still radar indicated. Um, we got a new flash flood warning. You know what to say. Get to higher ground if there's a very big threat of flash flood, and turn around. Don't drive your own. But this right here, this is what could come a tornado. Like let's replay the radar. Here's it right before. I don't know why it's still on, but it's right here, and it comes up with Forest Hill. So Forestville looks like it could get hit sometime. Then we got this tornado warning. Still, that tornado warning is under enhanced risk. This is a moderate risk of a tornado warning right now. Yeah, we're gonna start wrapping it up here. I said 10:30, but um, this is my first weather stream in a while, so if there's any other severe weather, I might stream that. So, yes. My final saying, be weather aware.